Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to share videos using Quick Share on any Android phone. Now to do that, first of all, just enable Quick Share on both devices. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center on your both devices. Now from here, just tap on Quick Share. Now if you cannot find Quick Share in your control center, just tap on Edit, then go to the Edit section. And from here, just add the Quick Share icon to your control center. And once you do that, just tap on Done. Now after you add Quick Share to your control center, just tap on Quick Share on both devices. Now instead of No One, just select Everyone. Then tap on Done. Now after you enable Quick Share, just open the Gallery app on the device from which you want to transfer your videos. Now from here, just select the videos which you want to transfer. Now once you select your videos, just tap on Share. Now from here, just select Quick Share. Now under Recommended, you will find the signal of your other device. Just tap on it. Now on your other device, just select Accept. Now as you can see, we have successfully transferred the selected videos to our other device. Now just select Open. And this is how you can share videos using Quick Share on any Android phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.